Do you know what we're doing right now?
Nope. Nope. Michael.
We are going to go through. I wrote on these note cards all the different places that we could possibly go.
Are we gonna close our eyes and pick from a hat?
No, we're gonna put a little more thought into it than that. So I need Timmy and Charlotte to come here. Can you guys lay all these cards, out onto the floor so we can see the names? Put them right in the middle of the rug.
Hey.
Andrew, why don't you read through the cards in front of you so everybody can hear them? Well, can you just read through them?
Dover, Virginia, Texas, Colorado, Missouri, Mississippi, Louisiana, South Carolina, Kansas, Florida, Wyoming, Japan.
Okay, and there's some more over here. Daniel, read the rest.
Guam. That is it. No, and Florida.
Dover, South Carolina, Kansas, Virginia, Louisiana, Florida, Texas, Mississippi, Wyoming, Colorado, Missouri,
Mississippi has an M.
Guam, and Florida.
Okay.
Timmy's Mississippi has an M.
You're
Oh,
right.
it does have an M at
But
the
it-
beginning
It doesn't have, see how they have little M's underneath them? That's what Mom meant by M's.
for maybes.
Missouri starts with an M too.
Okay, so we have a picture now of all of the bases up there. So if you're confused,
Conus, which means stateside. These ones are Oconus, which means outside of the states.
Wait, I thought there were none in Europe. Is Anderson the
Well,
one?
Europe is.
This
these
is-
are every single one.
not just the available bases.
Mm.
Okay, so
I thought that seemed like a lot.
Andrew, why don't you pick one of the cards and then go up there and show everybody where it's at?
Idaho.
I like South Carolina.
What, Charlotte?
I like South Carolina.
You like South Carolina?
Right now, think of your top 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to have everybody raise their hand for their number 1, and then raise your hand for your number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and we're going to do votes.
If you would like Whiteman, Missouri as number 1, raise your hand.
Number 1.
Number 1.
So Timmy and Charlotte, you want to go to Missouri?
Yeah.
No. Charlotte, I thought you wanted to go to South Carolina.
Okay. Should we move?
South Carolina.
And why do you think that?
Because Charlotte could be Moana.
Yeah?
Yep.
Have you ever been to South Carolina?
Yes.
Oh, did you like it?
Yes.
Why? What did you like about South Carolina?
The sand and the water.
The beach is pretty awesome.
Yep.
Raise your hand if you would like Guam as number 1. Okay, 3.
Jen, what do you say? That's number 1.
How many?
We have 3.
That's number 1. Guam won't be my number 1.
Okay.
3 for number
So
1.
3 for Guam as number 1. 4? No, you can't vote twice, Josh. Nice try.
Who says Guam is number 2? Josh, you can't vote twice. Charlotte?
That's Carolina.
Yes, it is.
That's
Okay, Guam is number 3.
Guam is number 4.
South Carolina.
Guam is number 5.
Very strongly against it.
South Carolina.
South Carolina. Anybody number 1?
Nope. Number 2.
Number 2. Okay.
Number 3.
Okay. 2 for 2, 1 for 3.
Number 6. No, wait, what is it? What
Number
is
1 for Charlotte.
it? What is it?
South Carolina is Charleston.
Number 3.
Me, number 5.
Do number 4.
I'm saving number 2.
I'll take that as a 4 as
South
well.
Carolina is yes, BFA, no, no. Oh,
Me, number 2.
For sure.
Okay, got it. Charlotte, can you hand Jenny another card?
Well,
No, not your card. A different card.
let's make mine number 5.
Well, raise your hand if Peterson is number 1 for you.
Oh yeah, Dad says number 1.
Yeah, number 1.
Timmy says number 1.
Timmy says number 1. That's a pretty solid number 1, I think.
That's
6
4 number
hash
1.
marks for number 1.
All right. So Guam is still in the top 5.
like you and I get to go ahead and use our.
Do some rearranging.
So
Okay, I'm happy with 1, 2.
I'm actually gonna move 2 because if we put Missouri number 2, that's where we're going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just because I know like a little bit.
So I'm just gonna put a big one
What
on the
here,
top of
actually,
this.
we're gonna do is this is gonna be go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for our top 5. What do you think about Wichita, Kansas, honey?
I mean, it's close to Kansas City.
In the nowhere.
It is kind of in the middle of nowhere, but I feel like we can travel anywhere from there.
I don't know.
I think that should be like our 3.
I think we could put that as 3. Well, let me see what else we got there.
And this is why I'm not doing it vertical. 'Cause it's easier to fill in.
I don't think that's true, but
What's that?
whatever. So are you gonna put? Do you want Guam number 2?
Yes, because I voted number 1 on Guam.
Did you?
Guam is 4 and Missouri is 3.
I think we should put Guam as 4.
Or maybe South Carolina is 6.
Yeah, put South. So Guam is 4. South.
Alright, you want to do it straight up and down? That's fine.
It makes so much more sense. Just
So
saying.
Kansas is 3, so 1, 3. We don't have a 2. 4, 5, 6.
You text, Mrs.
This is why
Well-
I can't visually see 6 when there's a gap. But if there's
Well, then give me a blank card.
no, it's fine.
Okay.
Or Charlotte's card.
So, honey, this Missouri has
Yeah, like that.
more points than Kansas.
It does. So we should probably put Missouri higher than Kansas.
I agree. Do you want to put Missouri number 2?
I really want a shot at Colorado, though.
So do
But
I.
that if Colorado's number 1, then that's our shot. If they pick us up, then great. If they don't, chances are we're not going to make it.
We're not going to make it down that far.
I can make it that far down, but I don't know. You
What
just
if we
don't
put
know.
both Colorado?
Hey, Dad,
What if we put
we should
Colorado
put
1
Missouri
and 2?
above Guam.
We can't. We
I
can only
I
put.
would put a maybe in the top 5.
Can we
that's
put
why.
Missouri in between Kansas and South
Why
Carolina?
is the Academy
But you want Kansas number 2?
Is there not?
No, but that says more. If Missouri's number 2, we're going. To
Well,
Missouri.
I think Kansas might be the same way.
Right.
But
So I
don't
feel
wanna
like
put Guam
Kansas
or
cannot be
South
ranked
Carolina.
before Missouri.
No.
That's
So I think we might just have to go like this. Colorado, Missouri, Kansas, South Carolina, and Guam. Hey, it's on the list.
It's in the top 5, bro.
But they said that they try to give, they're going to try to give Dad his top 5 spot, one of his top 5 spots. So. Okay, go ahead. It's not that kind of channel, babe. Now I'm going to have to check off the,
Dad's-
this is not for kids.
Dads go wild.
Stop it. This channel is not for children. I should have color coded these.
I vote Alaska, but that's
And then Alaska.
So much darkness. But McDill is closer to Disney World.
Your mom doesn't
Priorities.
care if I get to do what I want. and-
I was just making sure that you weren't swapping those because
No, it's because Disney World. If we're going to go to Florida, we've got to be close to Disney
we
World.
will be closer if we still live in Herbert.
6 hours away, not close enough. Michael?
What are you
Andrew? Is that a whole pile of little Legos?
doing? Yes, the tiny 1x2.
Please pick those up.
Here's some guy.
Okay, guys. Colorado, Missouri, Kansas, South Carolina, Guam were our top 5. Any major objections to those top 5?
Yay, I want
Okay, Michael, what's your objection?
Guam.
You don't want to move to Guam. Noted.
No, Guam.
Becca, what's your objection?
Missouri is number 2.
Josh, what's your objection?
Guam is number 5.
You would prefer it higher? Okay. All right, noted.
3.
Next 5 are McDill, Florida, close to Disney, Wyoming, Texas, Mississippi, and Virginia.
No.
Y'all good with 5 through Becca? What?
I feel like Virginia should be higher than Wyoming.
Yeah.
Really?
Who wants to go to Wyoming?
Because Virginia, if I remember correctly, was close to the coast.
It is. That's fair. Okay.
Virginia's
Fine,
really
we
stuck.
can just.
Virginia's
Do a
where
little
we stop.
shifty shift. All right, so Florida, Virginia, Wyoming, Texas, Mississippi. Would you rather be in Herbert Field than Mississippi? Yeah, I think so. Let's bump Mississippi back
So
down.
we won't actually swap them. We'll just bump it down.
Dover, Andrew, please be quiet.
Like those shows.
Right? We're making a show.
Like the 10 cutest animals.
Virginia above Dover because at least Virginia has OMT. Dover doesn't have BFA or OMT.
I want Guam in the top 5.
It is in the top 5. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, how's this look, guys? We are gonna move to one of these places probably in the next, let's see, what is it?
When will we know where we're moving?
I live South
I
Carolina.
think last
You're
year,
kind of obsessed.
It was like 98% of everybody got their top 20.
So there's a 2% chance you won't be top 10.
And
higher than that.
approximately when do they let us know?
January, February.
So in January, February, we'll know where we're heading in June.
January,
Probably.
February, we will get a name, but those frequently change.
Your hair is a disaster. All right, who's excited to go on a new adventure? You are. Thumbs up. Okay. Very cool. Thumbs up for a new adventure?
I think everybody's up for a new adventure.
I think so
We're
too.
just acting like teenagers.
Moody teenagers? What?
Snack.